Ba, alam ko na ikaw yung pinakamasayang tao ngayon kasi ako yung papakasalan mo.
Everybody up now. 'Cause something coming up. Let's have a little fun. We're gonna paint a blue sky. Come on, let's have the best day of our lives.
Luhan sa your pocket kasi habang naglalakad.
Sabi, pwede daw sa may pocket.
Tanggalin na nga sa pocket. Para kang pocketing.
It's gonna be a good time, good time. It's gonna be the best day. It's gonna be the best. It's gonna be the best day. The best day of our lives. They're trying to tell me
Pero siyempre, mas maswerte ako. Salamat kasi lagi kang... Nandiyan para sa akin. Kasi salamat kasi sobrang laki ng tiwala mo sa akin kahit hindi ko yung nakikita sa sarili ko.
Love is a funny thing.
Jericho at Viel, ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng Diyos. Ang pinakamaganda doon, ang sabi ng verse na binasa natin, nang nilikha ng Diyos ang babae mula sa tadyang ng lalaki, ay dinala niya ito sa lalaki. Jericho, napakaganda ng mas malalim sa orihinal na salita, yung salitang dinala. Yung salitang dinala ay nirigalo ng Diyos.
Just a partner or a lover. I'm your friend. When you love someone, your heart beat so loud. When you love someone, your feet can't feel the ground. Shining stars all seem to congregate around your face. When you love someone, it comes back to you.
I know my sister is here. It's sad na hindi namin siya kasama, but I know she's here and she's happy looking down upon us. I'm very proud of you, Phil. Thank you. Nag-transform ka na, parang kang butterfly. Nag-transform ka na. Sorry sa mga pinagdaanan natin, but I know nakatulong yan for you to become a better person.
When you love someone, your heart beat so loud. When you love someone, your feet can't feel the ground. Shining stars all seem to congregate around your face. When you love someone, when you love someone.
Thank you for everything you've done for our family. Kahit nandito pa si Mami, ikaw na talaga yung naging ate for her. I don't know, no words can really describe how grateful kaming tatlong magkakapatid for you. And I know Mom is at peace knowing that you and Muma and Tito Ron are here with us. I'll do my best na maging proud kayo lahat sa akin. That's all.
Pinakita mo din sa akin na ang dami ko pang pala pwedeng gawin sa mundong to at sa buhay ko. tinanggap mo kung sino ako at kung ano lang ang kaya kong ibigay, basta ang malaga. Masaya tayo.
Hi, love. First of all, na-prepare ko na tong vows na to. 1 year pa lang tayo. So, 7 years na po kami. So, this past few months have been so stressful for me. And as always, you are there to keep me grounded. Your love is the home my heart needed. You've been with me during my highest highs and lowest lows. I know our chosen life will not be easy, but it'll be worth it with you. Mahal kita sa bawat saya, lungkot, hirap at iyak.
Hindi ko man pinapangako na magiging perfect husband ako. Pero gagawin ko ang lahat para mapasaya araw-araw. Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako sa tabi mo at sasamahan ka sa lahat ng journey mo, ups and down. At pangako sa'yo na alagaan kita at mamahalin na sobra. I love you.
I know I give you tough days, but know that I love you with all my heart. I can't give you the world, but I can promise you all of me. As my veil says, I promise I'm yours always and forever.